Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. This is Jessica with the little white door, and in this video I will be sharing with you 3 of my favorite ways to save money while online shopping. Shopping online is really convenient. I work from home, so I love the benefits of not having to deal with the people at the store. You can literally buy virtually anything available at a retail store rather than only settling for what's available in the branch near your home. And whatever you choose to purchase is going to be delivered to your front door, which is amazing. If you're anything like me, then you want to follow along because I promise you great savings. And this video is in partnership with Go Cashback, and we're going to talk about it in a few minutes. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into tip number 1. So let's say that I'm in the mood for some furniture shopping. I'm gonna go on one of my favorite websites, serenaandlily.com. It is one of my favorite stores, even if a lot of their stuff are a little bit often out of my budget. And I am going to look for benches. Okay, so I scroll down and see, let's see if there's something I like. All right, okay, so I'm going to click on it. And so this Avalon rattan bench is pretty cute. And I'm gonna zoom in. And yeah, I look at some of the pictures. I like it. And then basically I look at the price. And yeah, it is out of my budget at the moment. They sell it for $1,200. And so because we are smart people, we are going to see if any other stores sell the same exact bench for a lesser price. So I am basically going to take a screenshot, and I am going to open another tab in the browser, and I am basically going to do an image research. And boom. Google is now showing me all the stores where this exact bench is being currently sold and the price. And you can see, like, for example, Home Depot has it for $452, Office Depot for $263, Target for $413. Like, there is a huge variety. Even Amazon has it for $353. And like, I'm gonna click on the Amazon and let's see. It's literally the exact same one. Now, just to not throw shade on Serena and Lily, let's do another quick search and let's see if they can instead offer another item for a better price, and also just to prove the system. So the other day I was looking at this cabinet and basically doing the same research. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna select the white color, the cream color, and let's put the photo back into the Google search image. And wow, it looks like the Serena and Lily's bookshelf is actually the better offer here because it's the best priced. Because the Serena and Lily is for $3,998. Instead, for example, Lila Grace has it for $4,700, or davidsdesign.com has it for $4,350. And so as you can see, the list goes on. And it is pretty amazing how much saving a little search can do. So yeah, this may be a little time consuming, but you can save hundreds of dollars doing this. And so just do it. My second tip for you instead requires zero effort on your part and works like a gem. And it is go sign up for Go Cashback. If you don't know what Go Cashback is, it's basically a website that allows you to get a percentage of cashback at your favorite stores. For example, you can get 4% cashback at Sephora, or up to 6% from Home Depot, 8% cashback from Grubhub, and the list goes on and on and on. Literally in every category you can think of, from home decor, personal care, electronics, clothing, food, travels even. So if this doesn't sound already amazing, cashback can be used in conjunction with merchants' discounts codes for ultimate savings. And for example, here Macy's is currently offering 80% off for the weekend until Sunday, and Go Cashback gives you up to 3% cashback on top of the sale. This is incredibly amazing, and if you like to shop online, Go Cashback is going to save you a ton of money. And even if you've heard of other cashback sites before, Go Cashback offers higher cashback rates for popular merchants and more cashback withdrawal options such as PayPal, checks, gift cards, and even HeliPay. You can also download the Go Cashback Google Chrome extension and never miss earning cashback when you shop online. And it is amazing because the extension basically activates cashback earnings for you all the time when you're shopping without you even realizing it. On top of this, Go Cashback offers monthly giveaways, and if you download the Go Cashback app, you get 100% cashback for Starbucks, Whole Foods, and many more. So if all this sounds amazing to you, join me and sign up for Go Cashback. Use my code JESS1 for $8 registration bonus, or you can use the link that I will leave in the description box and jumpstart this 2023 with a world of savings. My third tip for you consists in using coupon codes even when the website where you're shopping already recognizes that you have already shopped with them or that you already signed up before and it doesn't show you a coupon code anymore. So you know when you're browsing the internet looking for a certain item and you land on a website that you have never been before on, they will show you, if they have one available, a coupon code for 15, 20, 10, 30%, however much. And that's a way for them to draw a potential customer in and actually entice him to make a purchase. So these websites are designed in a way that basically the algorithm is capable of detecting a new potential customer, and based on their browsing history and a variety of different triggers, they decide whether they are going to show you that coupon or not. So if you have shopped on a certain website before, or you have signed up with them before, even if you log out before actually browsing the website will still be able to recognize that you have already shopped or browsed them before, and they will not show you a new coupon. But we are smart people and we want to make savings, right? So we are going to actually find a way around that. So let's do this together. I'm going to go on this website that I don't visit very often, but that I love, called Lulu and Georgia. And here we go. The pop-up literally showed up in 10 seconds because they want me to make a purchase, right? So I'm actually going to sign up so that with my email, so that way when I close and reopen the browser, they will be saying, girlfriend, you have already signed up, so you already got and used the discount, supposedly. So now pretend that I've already shopped with that discount that they sent me so that I don't have that anymore. But now I'm on the same website and I want to purchase something else and I still want the discount. So what we're going to do now, it's basically logging in to the website again without my login. And you're going to see that the discount is not showing up anymore. All right. See, I'm going to scroll. Nothing. The discount code is not showing up anymore because the website recognized that I've already done that. Now, whether I shopped already or not, the website doesn't know, but it knows that because of my browser history, I don't need another discount code because I was already a customer. I was drawn in. They don't need to give me another one. I say no. So I'm gonna open a new tab in my browser and I'm gonna do it with a private window. So I'm gonna click on File and I'm gonna click on New Private Window. That way I am basically browsing the internet in incognito, which means that the algorithm will not be able to know what my history for browsing is or any of my information as far as location or anything like that. And when you do that and when you go into the same website again, the pop-up will show up and there you get another discount. So let's try do that. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna do the process and there we go. Now I'm gonna scroll and it always works like a gem. So there you have it. See, another 10% off. So yes, it is a little bit of work, but it's worth it. If you always want to shop and get some discount, this is a good way to do it. You have to just remember to browse incognito before you actually go ahead and make a purchase. And yes, you will probably have to sign up each single time, but you can just create a email address like that you use as a junk pile and just basically don't worry about it and keep shopping with a discount. There you guys have it. I hope you're having a good one. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. On this channel we always talk about home decor, way to save money, pretty things and DIYs, and I love to read your comments, so feel free to stop by and say hi. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye you guys.